Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a marketing report in Looker Studio. Step by step, beginner-friendly, and updated for 2026. If you want to track your marketing performance but don't know how to turn raw data into a clean report, you're in the right place. First, open Looker Studio and sign in with your Google account. From the home screen, click Create, then choose Report. This opens a blank canvas where your marketing report will live. Next, add your data. Click Add Data and select a source like GA4, Google Ads, or Google Sheets. Choose the account or spreadsheet you want, then click Add to Report. Once connected, Looker Studio automatically prepares the data for reporting. Now let's add your core marketing metrics. Click Add a Chart and start with scorecards. Add metrics like users, sessions, conversions, or revenue. These give a quick overview of how your marketing is performing at a glance. After that, add trend charts. A line chart works great for showing traffic or conversions over time. Choose date as the dimension and your main metric as the value. This helps you spot growth, drops, or seasonal changes. Really useful insights. Next, add comparison charts. Bar charts are perfect for comparing channels like organic search, paid ads, social, or email. This shows which marketing channels are actually driving results. Now make your report interactive. Add a date range control and a filter control so viewers can change time periods or focus on specific channels. Honestly, this makes your report feel professional. Spend a moment cleaning up the layout. Resize charts, align everything neatly, and add text labels so your report is easy to read. Finally, click View to preview your marketing report. If everything looks good, click Share and give access to your team or clients. And that's how to create a marketing report in Looker Studio in 2026. Simple, clear, and effective. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more step-by-step marketing guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.